Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy cryptocurrency using Apple Pay, follow these step-by-step instructions to make secure and convenient crypto purchases through this payment method. Step 1. Verify that your cryptocurrency exchange or platform supports Apple Pay. Popular options include Coinbase, Crypto.com, and some peer-to-peer marketplaces. Step 2. Ensure your Apple Pay is properly set up with a valid debit or credit card linked to your Apple Wallet. Open settings on your iPhone to verify. Step 3. Log into your crypto exchange app and navigate to the Buy or Deposit section. Select Apple Pay as your payment method from the available options. Step 4. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase or the fiat amount you wish to spend. The platform will show the equivalent crypto amount and applicable fees. Step 5. Click Continue and authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode when Apple Pay prompts for authorization. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. Apple Pay purchases are typically instant, though some platforms may have a brief processing period for security checks. Step 7. Check your crypto wallet on the platform to confirm your purchase appeared. Note that Apple Pay transactions may have higher fees compared to bank transfers but offer greater convenience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.